Hi everybody, today I wanted to show you this singing bowl and I wanted to demonstrate how to actually make it sing because there is a technique to it. It took me a while to figure it out. So I'll tell you what not to do first and then I'll show you the right technique. This is, by the way, a 5-inch diameter singing bowl. It's nicely designed. I'm not sure it has the best sound, but as a gift, I think it's a really nice item. So it comes with this pedestal. Unfortunately, this one was a little bit crooked. So if you put it on the table, it's a little bit crooked. So I found that just turning over the carrying case is good enough. So let's start with what not to do. First of all, it comes with a mallet. This is the holding part, or if you want to silence the gong. So if you go like this, you can silence it, or you can use your finger. But this is to hold so it doesn't slip. You actually use the bare part to make it sing. Another thing that you need to make sure is when you hold it, if you're holding it, don't hold it like this because otherwise it's not going to resonate because you're restricting it. It needs to vibrate. So the best thing to do is to actually put it on something. That's why they give you this pedestal. Or if you are putting it on your hand, then put it on the bottom. Okay? Now, you do need a cat for this, so go get a cat. That's one thing I found out. But this is the actual technique and how you should make a singing bowl sing. So, one, you have to give it something to start resonating. So you give it a gong, and then you go around it, and you actually push on the side. And it will sing. So the thing with these singing bowls is they all have a different type of note that corresponds to some chakra. I don't know. I'm not into it, that stuff. But people that are into it know. I couldn't figure out what note this one corresponds to. I'll put in the link in the description. You can check it out. But there's many, 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 many of those. And let me just show you the carrying case, and it did come with instruction. Sound therapy, meditation, healing chakra, blah, blah, blah. I know. And this one is supposedly made in Tibet. It does say so here. Tibet? Nepal. Is Nepal in Tibet? I don't know. But in any case, hopefully this helped you. Let me demonstrate it again. I'll put it upside down. I'll put the singing bowl right there. I'll give it a nice dong. And then so it takes a little practice, but yeah, works. All right, thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, please put it in the comment box below. And please thumb up and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye. Nemo.